Telecom, and in conversation with ETNA's Parisha Tyagi, the COAI DG Rajan Matthews believes that the proposed spectrum pricing for the upcoming 5G auctions are still not low enough. When asked if he sees Idea Vodafone indulging into a price war ambush market share, he said that he hopes they stay away from the predatory pricing.
One, there is a team under the DOT working on this. What should India position itself in terms of 5G? I think we should wait for some of that to emerge before we determine what is the demand going to be like for which bands of the spectrum. So I think it may be a little premature at this point to say, well, Troy has given us some pricing. Will it create a demand? We know that 5G will be there, but what bands are the applicable bands is still a little bit in the horizon.
So you mean the industry is not ready to go into an auction just yet?
We believe that the financial condition of the industry definitely precludes us from being very aggressive. There may be operators that will want to pick up a few spots here and there where there's heavy congestion, because we know that because of the pricing, the demand and the consumption of data and voice has just gone through the roof. So yes, there will be some appetite, but again, we don't believe that it'll be significant.
One last question,
Sure.
sir. Idea and Vodafone have gotten an approval for the merger, and they will soon be emerging as a new entity. Do you think this will trigger another trade tariff war in the country, and they'll be announcing? Even today, I read a report that they're readying a new set of lower tariffs and new discounts. So, do you think this will further hurt the ailing industry?
So this is my personal hope,
Yes.
right? This is not an industry position. I hope not. I think we're at such a rock bottom price that if this type of activity continues, it's not going to be healthy for the industry. Now, what individual operators choose to do in the marketplace is up to them, and as an association, we don't comment. But just an observation again, a personal observation. Look at what is happening in the consumption side. All of a sudden, operators who are there in the commerce side are saying is that, hey, why are you giving so much discounts to the consumer, right? And all of a sudden there's a big discussion, but nobody's asking, why is that not applicable in the telecom side, right? But different perspective.